Hey guys, it's Maya and welcome to Carloft. Today I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can get your vehicle winter ready. So come with me. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is do a full vehicle walk around just to make sure your vehicle is in good standing condition and that there's no issues that you need to address before the snow falls. So come with me. Okay, so the next thing that you're going to want to do is install winter tires and check your tire pressure because these bad boys aren't going to save you when you hit ice. So the next thing you're going to want to do is check all your fluids. That means making sure your windshield washer is filled up, as well as getting an oil change and anything else that you think needs to be done. Okay, in the back of your trunk, you're going to want to keep a car pack that has jumper cables, a vest, anything that you need so you're not stranded on the side of the road. And then you also want to have a coat just so you can stay warm if anything does happen. Okay, so you're going to want to make sure that you don't drive like me and make sure that you have a quarter tank of gas. Okay, the final thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that your windshield is nice and clear so you can see what's happening in front of you on the road. That means making sure your windshield washer fluid is topped up, your wiper blades are changed, and that there's no cracks in your windshield. Drive safe this winter.